Okay, look at this. It's pretty cool. Because nothing. I'm alone here. Let's see what's gonna happen this time. Now it is the question. Is there path to the place and is there wood? That's pretty cool. All the signs are reflective. So Saarijärvi 0.7 and you can see 2 dots. So I will follow them. It's just making holes. Quite strong stuff. Only 0.5 kilometers. Let's go. Quite pretty and scary. I don't know if I'm okay with darkness. Like I hear some voice from what I do and I get scared. But when I get the fire on the spot, it's okay. And I have many light sources if this fails. And problem solved. So much wood. I will be totally fine. That's cool. Let's see. Because I can sleep even in the snow if I have to. So this is it. There has been people. Yeah, they have been, but not too recently. If you watch this. And lake view. But here I'm gonna sleep. That's how it looks like. It's open from two sides. And I like the fireplace is quite close, so it's nice to cook. It's like -5 degrees tonight and it'll be pretty nice. Let's make the fire. And then everything is okay and clean this from snow. So nice, there was a brush. Satisfying. Gonna be good. I mean, I can sleep in the snow, but this might melt when I have fire on, so it's not nice to sleep on water. Let's go. Ta-da! And this time for my frying pan I have a screw to put here and driver. So let's see if this works. Yeah, learned this from my last time when it was quite mistake. I had really bad branch, but now this is gonna stay. So this is nice. I have like pistol pan. Nice. And also learned from last time, now I have wooden spatula, but I'm gonna maybe still save it and I made one. So maybe I use both of these. I have also my GoPro with me, so let's see how it works in the darkness and in the cold. Like I have had action camera before and that was really bad in cold weather, but it was also really cheap one. So I hope GoPro, like many people film downhill skiing with GoPro and I will do that too, snowboarding, so I think it's gonna be okay in cold weather, but that's why I have to try it so I know when I go to Lapland is it possible. I'm going to make hamburgers and pancakes today's mission, to have those and sleep here. It is going to be smash burger. Oh no. How are you doing, guys? I have ruisleipää, tomatoes, beef for the hamburger, some ketchup with some spicy flavor. And there is my pancake mix warming up. Cutting tomatoes ready for the burger. Nice. But my hand is freezing because the branch is so frozen. ruisleivätkin pannulla. Ei olisi pitänyt uittaa niitä tossa rasvas kyllä. It's not about the look, it's the taste. But it looks good also, maybe. But taste is gonna be okay. Awesome, I'm sure. Okay, time for pancakes. Let's see how this is going to be. Okay, maybe too much. I need to take 2 hands, okay. It's probably gonna be fine, I hope. Yeah, I already ate the first one. It was really tasty, but looked awful because always when I flip these, they break. So you might not see the end result, but I can say it tastes good. And now it looks so good. And then it is the moment you all been waiting for. I will go sleep and you will see me wake up soon. But yeah, I want to show you what I have this time. I have Pokemon pillow. Because why not? You don't walk far and you have a lot of space. And now I can also show you better these holders. Last time they worked so well. So let's see. Tomorrow morning will come and I will go sleep now. I'm already on the sleeping bag. But yeah, I wanted to just say, on the winter camping, sleeping here, there is 2 moments when I'm feeling really cold. And that's not at the evening, because when you take your clothes off or change them, you get in the sleeping bag and you will get warm again. But when you get out of the sleeping bag, that's when you don't get warm fast. If you don't light fire, you don't get warm at all. But lighting fire at morning, then you will be okay after some time. But another really cold thing is putting the sleeping bag back inside the compression bag. You stuff it in, but the outside of the sleeping bag is so freezing cold, so your hand gets really cold. So I have to do that tomorrow with gloves. Yeah, now, good night. I woke up 10 a.m. and my only desire was fire. Yeah, but what I mean is I slept really well. Of course I woke up sometimes at the night, but that's not a problem when you sleep 10 hours. Okay, and you feel like when you wake up, like, do I need to get up? That's one of the big reasons to come to sleep here, to sleep really well, get relaxed. I don't know why, if it's the cold weather or it makes me sleep really well. And for breakfast I have pancakes and burgers. Same thing that the evening, so maybe I just do one different thing, that I eat first pancake and then burger. Because the pancake from the burger pan didn't taste so good. Yeah, this is how the place is looking like. There is the lake and it's pretty nice, pretty nice. Should I go to check the island? And I'm thinking, do I go to see another lean-to shelters? It would be maybe 1 to 2 hours walking. I don't know. So how much silava I have to put? Like, this needs so much grease that you can turn it without breaking it. But it's gonna be fine. Okay, that's drying, and that one is my coffee water, full of dirt already. But while that is going to boil, my GoPro, let's see if it's gonna do after a cold night, how it's gonna be, and I will walk on the ice to the island. Or am I going to walk? Like, look at this. Is there ice? But like, this is really wet, like now I can see. Okay, I'm not gonna go there. It's not far, but still. Maybe I can use that island and go to that island. So, how it's gonna be? Little water, but much more icy. Nice. Like, what? I have Gore-Tex, so I feel like there's no water, but I feel like my leg went totally in. That's much. That much. Oh no. Okay, we are getting out of here. This is not safe and not frozen. What? Okay. I thought... Okay. And for last, I have coffee. And then I will leave. Coffee. Yeah, I should have kuksa. Pretty nice. These instant coffees are surprisingly okay. This time the morning cold was quite easily won because it wasn't so cold than last time, and I get the fire going on really fast, and I used gloves to put my sleeping bag inside the compression bag, so those things I didn't get too cold this morning. So overall quite good experience. And I also used some trick for my trekking poles. I put small piece of duct tape between so these don't fall off. Poles. What is it? Sompa. Like some English words are missing from my vocabulary so much. And just note to myself, you are allowed to also fish here. So next summer I'm coming back. And then Kintulammi. This kind of lean to shelter. And I think I will do the whole trip today. Why not? It feels good, it's not cold. And these boots have proven to be pretty warm when you walk. Quite nice. Okay, now I chose path where other people haven't been walking for a while, but you can almost still see it. And it's good for me to practice not to get lost all the time. It feels like I just woke up, but the thing is, after 2 hours it starts to get darker. Because in 1 week it's the darkest day in Finland, but I need to get some layers of clothes off because it's getting quite hot. I had too much on. Can you hear it? What is that sound? is it wind hitting or freezing them, or they are shaking that they don't get frozen? Maybe that's it. Engine shakes them that they don't get frozen, or what? That sound is quite scary for me. I have to go under them. Oh, that was surprise. It came after this little hill, so it totally surprised me. Looks pretty cool. Would have good protection if there was snowing, but yeah, that gets maybe a little burned when there is too much wood. Yeah, maybe I sleep here someday. So this was Kaukaloinen. And now next we go Kirkkokivi. Kirkkokivi lean-to shelter. This is quite special looking. Goes through like this. Quite nice. Nice flashbacks. I've been here once before. I didn't know.